to talk to you today about quitting. What's up guys, Kelly McKay here, HVACmillionaire. Nice to see you again. Hope you're having a great 2020 so far. You know, if every time I thought, felt, or said I quit, if I had a nickel for every time I said that, I'd probably have a lot of nickels. Because there's always been times where I thought the grass might be greener on the other side. I love new things. I think that's the entrepreneur in me. I like to grow the business. I like to grow other little businesses outside of my business. And I really enjoy that. And I get, even though it doesn't always grow as fast as I want it to, or as profitable as I'd like it to, as far as trading my time for money, I've traded so much time that it's gonna take a long time to get any payback. But you know, it's okay, it's all part of learning. And that's how it is with our entire HVAC career. You know, there's times when I was a younger technician and I wanted to quit. You know, the going got tough a lot of times, and that's why me and one of my relatives, we always say that it's NFP. It's not for you can fill in the blank. You know, it's not for wimps. It is physically demanding. It can be extremely frustrating and stressful. But the more knowledge you get and the systems that you put in place for yourself, like here's how I do this and this and this, here's how I do this and this and this. When you get those systems in place, you're able to do jobs a lot faster. Not only the physical work of making the repairs or the upgrades or replacements, you're able to do that faster, more efficiently, but you're also able to think through problems a lot faster and more efficiently, which allows you to not have the frustrating moments. The more interactions that you have with customers, each and every day, you get a chance to practice with your customers to get better and better and to increase your communication skills. So the better you get, the easier things get. So I hope you'll stick with it. I know the industry needs you. We all need you to be in the industry. We need you to keep pushing forward and to keep learning. And as you learn all the technical skills, never stop learning, because there's so much, with our industry, everything is always advancing and always changing. So you've always got to have some training on the technical side of it. But I also want you to focus on communicating, management, and leadership. Those three things, if you focus on those and continue to learn them, then there's going to be a spot for you. If you're with a growing company, there's going to be a spot for you to be able to advance in that company as a leader, as a manager, as a trainer, as a communicator, whatever it is, there could be a spot for you in the future, and someday you're going to want that position. You're not going to want to be in the field forever. Now, I'm not saying that some guys out there, even you watching this, you may be one of those guys that is older and you're still in the field and you're still, kicking ass and taking names, and you probably can run circles around these young guys because of your knowledge and your skills. And I honor you for being in the field for so long and being able to take care of yourself to not have your body fall apart. But I know me, I wasn't smart enough to take care of my body, so it started falling apart as I was in the field. And I knew that I needed to get out of the field or I wasn't going to have a career anymore. So to the younger guys, if you don't take care of yourself in this career and you don't continue to learn and educate yourself, there's going to be a time where you can't physically do the demanding work that it takes to do every single day in our business. So it's important to continue your education and get what you need to advance. And if there's no advancement opportunities in that company that you're with, well, there's probably another company in your area that does have some advancement openings. So that's all I wanted to say, guys. It can be a really difficult thing if you're frustrated, if you're having a difficult time like figuring out how to learn a specific thing or how to grow your business, whatever the case, whatever it is you're struggling with. Like if you just hang in there, continue to seek knowledge, never stop seeking knowledge, hang in there. There's going to be a point where you find out and you learn a couple of things that just make all the difference in the world. It's the 80, the Pareto's Principle, 80-20 principle. 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. And it's figuring out which 20% of the efforts to focus on. So that's the key. That's what we should always be looking for. Like, how can I do this more efficiently, more effectively, so I can free up more of my time and not be a slave to my career or my business. So, and of course, we're always going to have those extreme weather times that really is demanding, and we kind of got to go get it, while it's there. We got to go get the customers and the money while it's there. So if it does slow down a little bit in the early part of the year, then there's a little bit of money for you to live off of, and take some time off. It's a great time to take some time off. Every year, just get some rest before we get into the busy season again. So, guys, hope you're having a great year, 2020 so far. Love you guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video and check out the link that I posted below. If you have any questions, reach out to me anytime at HVACmillionaire@gmail.com. I'm standing in my new office. It's still under construction. As you can see, there's a roughed-in outlet down there, but it's getting closer, so I'm excited to get moved in. I'll have a lot more space to shoot better videos, higher quality videos, and so I look forward to that. Thank you guys so much. Love you guys. Please subscribe, comment, like this video, share it with somebody that may need to hear it, and go make money, guys. Boom.